Hey everyone, hope your Saturday's going good. Me and little bro came up to help my dad out on a few projects in the garage, and I figured I'd do a quick Saturday Stockman video, show you guys the lake out there. Here's what I'm carrying today. You got the Mercator Black Cat. There's the Stockman and the Boker Magno clip. This one's MKM magnet clip. And this is in my little carry-all, little man purse thing. So I'm carrying that along. So I'm going to put a little pause in here because I got to hold this one-handed and we'll get them out of the sheaths. Okay, we're back. Try and keep some sun here. This is the one that's in the man purse in case I need a big knife. This is a Western. Let's see if it'll focus in here. Try to get some sun. Western 677. It's made around mid 50s, early 50s. Bone scales, brass S-guard. Some beautiful touches here. Aluminum pommel. And it's carbon steel. It's got a satin grind on it, but I put that on. Normally it's a high polish, but I ran this on my little mini belt sander because it was pitted pretty bad. So there's some steel taken off, but man, it looks good. And this blade here, the 77 blade, was what they used in World War II, this style, for their commando knife, which was called the L77, but the L77 was 7 inches. So for the hunting version, after the war was over, they used the same kind of dagger style blade and brought it down to 5 inches. They used the same S-guard as the Commando. I think the Commando had the S-guard. I don't know. Can't remember. Just a gorgeous knife with the bone handles. Let's get it up by the lake here. You know what? Maybe I'll pause it and we'll go down by the lake where I can get some more sun and get some sun pictures. But okay, yeah, that's in the man purse. But this is on my person. I've been carrying the Black Cat, and I did order correctly. I did get the carbon blade. See a little patina on there. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus in here too good. The Black Cat, K55 Black Cat, K55K. Just a wonderful knife. I guess there's a video going around, what's your top 5 knives that aren't case or GEC. This might be up there. Very close to top 5. Definitely in the top 10. Germany Solingen. So that's my right pocket carry, and that goes in the MKM. You can see the slip is already contorting itself to it. And now Stockman Saturday. Saturday Stockman. Gotta pause it again. Well, first, this is a 1977 Western, and it actually has bone scales. I'm pretty sure they're bone. Hang on. Western, Stockman with the punch. Let's see if I can try and get some better sun in here. And I'm pretty sure those are bone scales. But it could be Delrin too, because I'm not sure they did any bone scales after the mid-60s. Western anyway. Beautiful punch. Look at this tip on here. I bet you I can stick it right into the table. Look at that. See if we can get it to focus in. It's a deadly tip on there. It's the dang camera wants to focus in on the grain of the table and everything in the background. There we go. Look how sharp that is. This has an edge on it. So there's your punch, and if we can get it, there it is. It's the model 657. There's an A under there. First, let's take a look at the spade blade. There's no sheep's foot. Ouch. I like how the blades are recessed into the body of the knife. Real sleek profile on it. You'll see the A, 657A, which is a smaller Stockman. Probably what, 3.5 inches, maybe 3 3/4. Still plenty of meat on the blade. It's a dark brown, but it almost looks black, the scales. Western USA. Picked this little dog up for 25 bucks, you guys. And I like the way everything fits together. Nice and everything recessed in there. And without the sheep's foot, the spade blade fits down in there, and it's an easy open for the punch. You can see that there. Really dark brown jig. Cool shield. Cleaned it up a little bit last night when I took it out of the package. But there you have it. Let me take a pause here. Okay, there we go. Right pocket, black cat, man purse, 677 by Western. Left pocket, 657 by Western. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to go take a walk down by the water and do another pause here. And we got a couple minutes of some scenic video here. Just a nice peaceful place. And I don't even have to say anything. The picture pretty much explains it all. Good old Western. That's kind of a design you don't see very often. The S-guard like that. And the blade shape. Pretty cool pommel. I think I did a pretty good job on that refurb. So there you go, my friends. Until next time, take care. Peace. Bye-bye.